Well, happy Halloween again. And this time we decided to do a pirates theme. And so here are the pumpkin and their designs. And Victor will be helping me to carve these pumpkins. Let's get to it then. You are going to clean it out, right?
That was your job, right?
I am not doing that.
What?
No.
I'm doing it all?
Yes, I made the pictures.
Oh my gosh. I thought you said you were doing that.
No, you got it wrong. So we worked on most of them, but right now Victor is doing the most difficult one and the most delicate one. How is it working on this one, Victor?
It's going slowly.
Let me see. Oh yeah, that's gonna be difficult. Very delicate. Hope it comes out well. We'll see.
And Andrew has taken over for a bit. You know this is the most delicate part, right?
Yeah.
Please don't screw it up.
I'm not gonna screw it up.
I think it's gonna break.
It will not break.
For more awesome content, like and subscribe now.